Welcome to everyone. Let's see the problems on solving the complex quadratic equation. What do you mean by the complex quadratic equation? It is they are given with the equation with the highest order or else with the other functions like e power x, log x like that. Then we can convert the equation into the quadratic equation and then solve the quadratic equation and then we have to solve reback the required variables. Such a type of equations termed as complex quadratic equation. So an equation which can be converted into quadratic equation and solve this equation using the quadratic equation method. Okay. Let's see first question. X power 4 plus 9x squared plus 14 equal to 0. Here, shall we take x squared as y? Yes, we can take. When we take x squared as y, x power 4 is converted into y square. They are asking that is there any real values to satisfy this equation. Shall we proceed the problem? Yes. The first step is take x squared is equal to y and then rewrite the equation in terms of y. Y squared plus 9y squared, 9y plus 14 equal to 0. And then we can split 9 into 2 as 7 and 2 because 7 plus 2 is 9 and 7 times 2 is 14. Then we can take common y from y squared plus 7y and then take common 2 from 2y plus 14. And then we can take y plus 7 is a common for both the terms and y plus 2 is the remaining term. Then we can use zero product rule and we can get y is equal to negative 7 and y is equal to negative 2. But what is y? It is x squared. So x squared is equal to minus 7. X squared is equal to minus 2. So there are no real solution because square root of minus 1 is complex number. So there is no real solution in this area. So we can conclude like the square of x or negative values. The equation has no real solution. Okay. Okay, shall we move on to the next question? 32x power 10 minus 31x power 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Shall we take y as x power 5 over here? Yeah. Then x power 10 is equal to y square. Yeah, let's proceed. 32y squared minus 31y minus 2 equal to 0. Here we can now split minus 31 as minus 32 plus 1 because minus 32 plus 1 equal to minus 31 minus 31 times 1 is equal to minus 32 which is a product of the A and C. Okay. Let's proceed. Then 32y taken as common from first two terms and we can get the remaining as y minus 1 and y minus 1 times 1. Okay. Then y minus 1 is a common for both the terms and we can get the remaining term as 32y plus 1. Then we can apply the zero product rule. We can get y is equal to minus 1 by 32 and y equal to 1. 1 by 32 can be written as minus 1 by 32 can be written as minus 1 by 2 whole power 5. So x value would be x power minus 1 by 2 and x power 5 is equal to 1. So it's nothing but x equal to 1. So the real solution of these equations are 1 and negative 0.5. Shall we go to the next question? Yeah. 9 by x power 4 plus 5 by x square. Here, shall we take y as 1 by x square? Yes, we can. So, 1 by x square is equal to y. So, 9y square plus 5y equal to 4. And 9y square plus 5 minus 4 equal to 0. And then we can split 5 as 9 and minus 4 because 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 times 4 is 36 and the negative terms in the minus, so we can get the minus 36. Then we can take 9y as common from 9y squared and 9y and take 4 is common from minus 4 is common from minus 4y minus 4, and y plus 1 is common in both the terms. We can get 9y minus 4 times y plus 1 equal to 0, and we can apply the zero product rule. We can get y is equal to 4 by 9 and y equal to negative 1, and we can apply the value of y. 1 by x squared is equal to 4 by 9. It can be written as a reciprocal value. X squared is equal to 9 by 4, which is 3 squared by 2 squared. Then we can take the square root of both sides. We can get the value of x as plus or minus 3 by 2. And for y minus x squared equal to minus 1, this implies x squared is equal to minus 1. This has no real solution. So the only the real solution in this set of equation, that is 9 by x power 4 plus y by x power 2 equal to 4, is plus or minus 3 by 2. Thank you. Bye bye.